Y'all know what this is, man. It's Raj and Bone Killer. We're taking hip hop to the big screen.
Yeah. Hey, 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 put 'em up. Hey, 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 put 'em up.
Talk to me. Now let's get rowdy. Let me work that body.
හිත හොඳටම පළුදු වෙලා මට නටන්න බැරි එක දුකයි තමයි මගේ කෙල්ල දැක්කොත් මගේ ඔළුව මකයි ඒත් මොනවද කරන්නේ ඔයයි මමයි මට පොඩ්ඩක් හයි වගේ දැනෙනවමයි
හොඳට මත් මොන බම්බර පැටිකුකා පදමයි කිව්වා බවද හැංගෙව්වා නිකදමයි පිටේ හැවහගත්තා නුඹටමයි
You gotta keep moving if you're out with your drama Cause there's plenty other girls who wanna get with me mama You can see me ballin' just by looking at my sneakers And my credit card got really good features Anyway, can I call you Peaches? You wanna get freaky like the Jeepers Creepers? She got turned on just by looking at my wrist She was moving a thing and biting the lips So I know that you really want this Plus I told her I could do magic tricks with your tits And she came closer and told me that you wanna do the Kama Sutra
I see you looking at me. Then talk to me. Now let's get rowdy. Let me work that body.
ගොඩක් මහයි මට ඩබල් වෙලා අනේ පෙනෙන්නේ ඇයි මගේ යාළුවෝ සෙට් එක තාමත් පොයි දැන් කායක නම් වඩ ඩ්‍රයිව් කරන්න වෙයි
Time to go to the movies, I'll be flashing my dimes, boy.